How to install JMA 1/2-inch annular plenum connectors. Step 1. Prep. To begin, straighten the cable and using RD Cutter S, apply even pressure while rotating the tool around the cable to cut squarely. Attach the proper SP-12PL-01 prep tool to the drill. Keep the prepped cable end at a downward angle during the prep coring process. Actuate the drill to remove the jacket and expose the center conductor. Make sure the final cut is in the valley. Proper prep is achieved when the center conductor is chamfered. Attach the SP-PLV adapter to a standard vacuum hose. Insert the prepped cable end at a downward angle. Tap the cable while vacuuming. Use center conductor cleaner SPCC tool to remove any remaining dielectric material on the center conductor. Remove the included V1 core bit from the SP-12PL-01 tool body. Insert the chamfered center conductor into the center hole of the core bit, taking care not to scratch the center conductor. Actuate the drill, allowing it to plunge and remove the dielectric material until the core bit reaches the outer conductor. Allow at least one full rotation after the tool has reached the outer conductor and carefully remove the bit. Cable will have approximately 1 corrugation of dielectric removed. Inspect the center conductor for scratch marks. Insert the prepped cable end into the SP-PLV at a downward angle. Tap the cable while vacuuming to remove any remaining dielectric material. Step 2. Install. Align the outer conductor edge with the marking line on the cap. Mark the cable jacket in line with the end of the connector. Use the provided alcohol wipe to clean the inner and outer conductors thoroughly. Push the connector onto the cable until it reaches the alignment mark and 2 clicks are heard or felt. Step 3. Compress. Select the proper insert for the connector. Pull the sliding assembly back using the frameset's side grips. Insert the connector so that the connector and cable lie flat in the frame. Make sure the connector is fully seated. Press the HCG trigger until the tool fully cycles. Do not pull or push on the tool during compression. When fully compressed, the connector will move away from the alignment mark.